Hi, I'm Donovan. Let me ask you, how many times have you felt that tightness in your chest, that racing heart, and that feeling of dread right before speaking to someone new, or walking into a room full of strangers? It's a feeling we all know too well, anxiety. But what if I told you that in just 4 seconds, you can begin to eliminate that anxiety and shift your mindset into one of unshakable confidence? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because today I'm going to share with you instant confidence hacks that can make you feel calm, collected, and in control in less than 5 seconds. In this video, we're going to cover 4 powerful techniques to help you eliminate anxiety instantly. 1. Power posing, how standing tall can boost your confidence. 2. The 4-7-8 breathing technique, a breathing technique to calm your nerves in seconds. 3. Eye contact, how to make a lasting impression and ground yourself. Lastly, smiling, the power of a simple smile to change your mindset. So, let's dive right in. First up, the power pose. This technique is backed by research from social psychologist Amy Cuddy. All you have to do is stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, puff your chest out slightly, and hold your head high. Now, do this for just 2 minutes, and your body will release higher levels of testosterone, which is linked to confidence, and lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. You can do this in the bathroom before a big meeting, or even in private, and you'll feel your anxiety melt away. In just 4 seconds, you'll start feeling more in control, as your body language shifts into one of authority and power. Next up, let's talk about breathing. When we're anxious, our breathing becomes shallow, which only makes us feel more panicked. The 4-7-8 breathing technique can calm your nerves instantly. Here's how it works. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale completely through your mouth for 8 seconds. This simple pattern activates the parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest system, which helps calm your mind and relax your body. It's a quick way to shift from fight or flight mode into a peaceful, grounded state. And you can do this in just 4 seconds. Just start by taking a slow, deliberate breath, and you'll feel your body relax almost immediately. Now, here's a bonus tip: eye contact. Did you know that maintaining eye contact for just a few seconds can make you seem more confident, approachable, and even trustworthy? Next time you're in a conversation or about to walk into a room, hold eye contact for just 4 seconds with someone you're speaking to. This establishes a connection and gives you a moment to center yourself, ensuring that you feel more confident when it's your turn to speak. Finally, don't forget the power of a genuine smile. It's easy to overlook, but smiling actually helps release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that fight off anxiety. When you smile, even if you don't feel like it at first, your brain interprets that as a signal of safety and happiness. It's a quick way to trick your brain into releasing anxiety, and it can make you appear more charismatic and approachable. So there you have it. In just 4 seconds, you can hack your body and mind to feel more confident and calm. Whether it's through a power pose, a quick breathing technique, or maintaining eye contact, these instant confidence hacks are your tools for mastering any anxious situation. Remember, the key is to take control of your body and breath. It's the quickest way to shift from anxiety to confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be notified of all our upcoming tips on charisma and influence. And hey, share your own confidence hacks in the comments below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you can build, second by second, moment by moment. Until next time, stay confident.